5-layer overlay using contour as a smooth strengthening layer after color. According to nail analysis, this nail is hard and well arched, but very long. EVO Contour is the chosen base, but while an upper arch will not be needed due to the natural length of the nail, a strengthening layer will be applied. The sidewalls have overgrown hung nails, therefore we will begin with wet prep. Prepare the nail plate, apply cuticle remover, and continue with wet preparation steps. Wash. Apply 3-in-1 base layer. Gripping. Smooth. Reinforce. Cure for 30 seconds. Cleanse and refine. Apply 2 layers of color, curing each layer for 30 seconds. Apply a smooth strengthening layer of contour gel and cure for 30 seconds. Cleanse. Finish with gloss.